breakfast, lunch, and dinner cooking, I'm going to teach you how to make Pennsylvania Dutch ginger cookies. And here we go. I'm going to start out with 1 cup of softened butter. And then I'm going to put in 1 cup of confectionery sugar, powdered sugar, and I'll be right back, forgot my, add 2 teaspoons of ginger. Okay, then I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 3/4, my goodness, today, Sally. Sorry about that. 3/4 teaspoon soda. Okay, cream that all together. I microwaved this for 30 seconds and I should have done it a little bit longer. I'll get this mixed just a minute. Get it going. I was surprised this recipe did not call for an egg. So, and then we are going to be rolling these out. These are Pennsylvania Dutch ginger cookies. I thought that'd be kind of a new twist. And we are going to add, believe it or not, a tablespoon of vinegar, which really surprised me. But, and I am going to taste this batter because I am going to be crunching up some almonds. You know how the windmill cookies always had the little chunks of almond? So that's what I'm going to be doing. Okay. And I'm going to taste it, like I said, and see. I thought a little almond flavoring might be cool in it, but I'm going to wait and see. I'm going to go with the recipe. Okay, now I'm going to add 2 1/4 cup of flour. Okay. And this gets rolled out, so, whoop. Boy, that vinegar smells strong. I hope it's going to taste okay. It's what the recipe called for, so. It's all mixed up. Doesn't seem like it's going to go, but then it all of a sudden does. And it said if the batter was too dry to add a little milk. So we'll see. I thought that was kind of strange. Milk and vinegar together, but all right, let's see what we got here. Maybe I'm going to add a little milk. Kind of like the pie crust that I make. If it's not wet enough, it's not going to come together. But you got to be really careful. You don't want to add too much. But you don't want to not have enough either, because then it will not come together. Just doing little splashes there. There we go. Now we got it. All right. I'm going to take a little tiny taste. No, it doesn't need flavoring. It tastes great. Tastes really good. Okay, now what I'm going to do, wash my hands, and I'm going to put about half a cup of crunched up almonds in it. And I'm going to take this bag that they come in, and I'm going to be pounding it with this, so I'll be right back. I got them right about where I want them. And I'm going to put about half a cup. A little more. These were salted almonds, but I don't think it's going to hurt a thing. Okay. I'm going to work those in because I didn't want to put it through the food processor because I want to have some chunks that show up, kind of like the windmill cookies, you know. Get it all in there. And I'm going to be cutting these out into Santa shapes today. I thought that'd be kind of fun. And it says you can frost these, but I'm not going to. I think they'll look good just on their own. So what I'm going to do now, get some flour on here. And roll these out. It says about an 1/8 inch thick, but I think I'm going to go a little thicker with them, just for the heck of it. My almonds are popping out. A little more flour. Got my oven preheated to 400. I just thought these would be really something different, you know? Okay, so I've got my little Santa shape here, and I'm gonna cut these out. And it says to bake these for 6 to 8 minutes, but I know myself, they're probably gonna be in for more like 10. I always take and put my little cutter in flour, and that way it. Okay, oh, that one didn't want to go because of the almond. There we go. Okay, I'm going to get these on the pan. I'll be right back. A few of them on there. I need to roll these out again. I'm going to add some of my fresh dough to it so it's not too dry. You don't want to keep working it either. Just kind of be gentle with it because you don't want it to get tough. Yeah, I'm rolling these out to probably a 1/4 inch. I want it to be a little thicker. And you know, sometimes you don't want to frost all the cookies because some people are diabetic and they can take a little sugar, but not a lot. So, try to make them all uniform in thickness. That way they'll bake good, but I'm so shaky. I'll show you when I got them on here. These are going in a 400 oven for 8 to 10 minutes. And I'll meet you on the other side. Okay, they're coming out of the oven. And I did end up baking them for 12 minutes, and they look perfect. So I'm going to put the next batch in. This one got a little thin, so it's a little darker, but like I was told my kids, we're going to eat the ugly ones. And look at how cute these are. I love them, just a plain little cookie. And as soon as these cool off, we'll plate them. Okay, this first plate is all cooled off and ready to go. Look at how cute those little Santas are. Love it. And I get probably, I don't know, at least 20 cookies out of it. How cute is that? Pennsylvania Dutch ginger cookies. Hope you enjoyed my little video. Remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. Love the Lord with all your heart. Till we meet again.